Immediately eliminate the FiveM Unknown Location Pool full 256 error and reclaim your gameplay. This frustrating pool full message is a common roadblock, but we have the definitive solutions. First, if your FiveM client shows this 256 error, verify your game files. Corrupt or missing data causes unexpected glitches. Ensuring integrity provides a clean slate. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from network configurations, leading us to method 2. Temporarily disabling IPv6 can resolve conflicts, preventing proper server communication, effectively providing a workaround for connection problems. Still encountering issues? Our third strategy involves clearing your FiveM client cache. Old, temporary files can corrupt, causing the unknown location pool full error, so removing them forces fresh data rebuilds. Finally, if the problem persists, a direct connection attempt or checking server status externally often reveals the true source of the FiveM Unknown Location Pool full total 56 error. This ensures you've exhausted all client-side solutions, getting you back into the action fast.